What are the mandatory documents required for pickup? For commercial goods, the mandatory documents are 1. Tax invoice. 2. If the order value is more than Rs 50,000, then we will need an e-way bill. For personal or other goods, the mandatory document is number 1. Declaration by seller with sign and stamp.
What are the pickup cutoff timings? Cutoff timings are subject to change, but current timings are as follows. What is volumetric weight? Volumetric weight is calculated as per the dimensions of the shipment. The standard formula for volumetric weight is, for dimension in inches, length into breadth into height into CFT divided by 1728. For dimensions in centimeters, equals to length into breadth into height into CFT divided by 1728 divided by 2.54 to the power 3. Are the sellers charged with actual weight or volumetric weight? The sellers are charged on actual weight or volumetric weight or minimum chargeable weight as per the logistic partner, whichever is higher. For instance, actual weight of shipment is suppose 2 kg. Volumetric weight of the shipment suppose is 8 kg. And the minimum chargeable weight as per the logistic partner is 10 kg. Then the seller will be charged for 10 kg of this shipment. What does ODA mean? ODA means outside delivery area. It is the same as delivery to a remote area. What does OPA mean? OPA means outside pickup area. It is the same as pickup from a remote area.